Hello everyone, in this video we will study some fundamentals of C language. Myself Professor S.S. Nikam from Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasik. Objectives of this video are to understand the structure of a C language program, to write your first C program, to introduce the include preprocessor command, to create good identifiers for objects in a program, to list, describe, and use the C basic data types, to create and use variables and constants, to understand input and output concepts, and to use simple input and output statements. First, we will start with background of a C language. So C language is a structured programming language. It is considered a high-level language because it allows the programmer to concentrate on the problem at hand and not worry about the machine that the program will be using. That is another reason why it is used by software developers whose application have to be run on many different hardware platforms. Now it's time to write your first C program. So topic discussed in this section are structure of a C program. Then you will see your first C program, comments, and the greeting program. Figure shows the structure of a C program. It starts with preprocessor directives. So the preprocessor directives give the instruction to the compiler to preprocess the information before actual compilation starts. All preprocessor directives begin with hash and only whitespace characters may appear before a preprocessor directive on a line. Preprocessor directives are not statements, so they do not end with semicolon. For example, hash define, it defines a sequence of characters called symbol. Then global declaration section. Global declaration section contains global variables. So global variables are defined outside a function, usually on the top of the program. Global variables hold their values throughout the lifetime of your program, and they can be accessed inside any of the functions defined for the program. Then main function. Main function is the entry point of any C program. It is the point at which execution of program is started. When a C program is executed, the execution control goes directly to the main function. Every C program have a main function. Then local declaration section. So local declaration section in programming, a declaration that is a statement describing an identifier such as the name of a variable or a function. Declarations are important because they inform the compiler or interpreter what the identifying word means and how the identified things should be used. A declaration may be optional or required depending on the programming language. For example, in C programming language, all variables must be declared with a specific data type before they can be assigned a value. Then statements. Statements here are expression, assignments, function calls, or control flow statement which make up C programs. Then other functions as required. So this is nothing but user defined functions. So every C program may contain one or more user defined function. Figure shows the greeting program or hello world program. It starts with statement hash include stdio.h. So this is nothing but preprocessor directive to include standard input output functions in the C program. Also, this program contains one printf statement, that is hello world. So this printf statement is used to display hello world message. Generally, this printf statement is used to display output messages. So after executing this C program, you will get hello world output on your computer screen. This is nothing but greeting program with comments. So in C programming language, you can place comments in your source code that are not executed as a part of the program. Comments provide clarity to the C source code, allowing others to better understand what the code was intended to accomplish and greatly helping in debugging the code. Comments are especially important in large projects containing hundreds or thousands of lines of source code, or in projects in which many contributors are working on the source code. So this is nothing but examples of block comment. This is block comment that covers two lines. So comment starts with forward slash and star and end with star and forward slash and can be used anywhere in your program. Comments can span several lines within your C program. Figure shows examples of line comments. So this is nothing but whole line comment, and this is example of partial line comment. Now we will stop here. We will see remaining points in next video. Thank you.